Break. So in this part, in the second part, we have mounted our device to a tree, and so I need to reset the device so that it starts working. So we have also inserted a battery, and now it's in a hybrid mode on charging, as well as when enough sunlight is not available, it's using the battery energy. So now, as you can see here, so here this is a Python script that is reading the data from the receiver module and then sending it to the cloud. Here you can see the result is 3. So 3 denotes that the audio classification is normal in the forest. 2 denotes that there is cutting or logging of illegal logging of wood, and 1 denotes one denotes the chainsaw, 2 denotes the logging through X. So now we are going to simulate this. This should be enough. So I guess you can see the inference results here coming here are 2 of class 2. That means the X logging, and here is the here is the online live dashboard which gives us a state of the device, either if it's sleeping, and the activity. Here you can see the 3, and it's varying between 3 and 2, and accordingly I should get a message on my. This is the MATLAB script that is responsible for transferring the data and triggering the classification. So here you can see I have received the message in 12:21. In the current time is 12:21. According to the model, it thinks it has detected some illegal logging, so it has sent me a alert message. Thank you.